Hello friends, nowadays lots of people are suffering from infertility, and there is irony that among lots of those couples who are suffering from infertility, they actually don't know that what are the safer days or what are the healthy days or what are the fertile days on which they should consummate. This way, it becomes very difficult to conceive. So there are lots of measures for the couples to know that what are exactly the ovulation days. One among the measure is ovulation kit. So the first question is, what is actually an ovulation kit? Basically, ovulation kit looks like a pregnancy test kit only. The similar way you check your pregnancy in a pregnancy test kit, in the same way we put 5 to 6 drops of urine on that ovulation kit, and we check whether there is single line or there is a double line. If there is a single line, the kit comprises of 6 strips. So you can check again the very next day or an alternate day that whether you are ovulating or not. If you are getting 2 lines, then you should check that line is very weak or a strong positive. If it's a weak positive, it means you are about to ovulate or the ovulation has happened. So you should make relations on the regular 5 days or alternate days for the next 5 to 6 days. If the line is extremely strong, in that way, you should regularly make relation for coming 3 days. Next question is, what is the time that you should check in the urine in that ovulation kit? So the best time period is 10 a.m. in the morning to 6 p.m. in the evening, because that gives you accurate results. Next question about ovulation kit is, from what days should we check about the ovulation? So dear friends, if your cycle is normal or regular, like if your cycle is of 28 days or 30 days, then you should check this ovulation from day 10 of your cycle. So check it on day 10. If you are getting 2 lines, then make relation for next 4-5 days, alternate days. If you are not getting 2 lines, then you should check just after the next day or an alternate day. And this way, till the time you get 2 lines, you should go for it. So this way, you can get your perfect days of fertile period and you can plan accordingly. And you can increase the chances of conception. This ovulation kit helps to those females also who want to go for contraceptive measures, because this way you get those days in which you don't need to consummate, and this way you can save your cycle so that you don't conceive. So dear friends, this way you can use your ovulation kit and check your safer days or your fertile days. Thank you.